Hello everyone. In this video, we will be discussing about the research conducted in the premise of postgraduate building on the topic effect of varied level of potassium chloride on the growth and phenology of Gazania. We, the students from Department of Agronomy, were allotted an area along the roadside of postgraduate campus for planting of the Gazania flower. The flowers were brought from a local nursery shop and selection of healthy plants were done. While some friends went to bring flower from nursery, the rest of us were preparing the land. Begin by removing any weeds, rocks or debris from the area where you plan to plant your Gazania. Loosen the soil to a depth of about 6 to 8 inches using a garden fork or tiller. This helped us improve drainage and allowed the roots to penetrate the soil more easily. In 30 December 2023, we prepared field layout on the design random completely block design RCBD with 5 number of treatment and 4 application of net plot size 4.35 meter into 4.5 meter. We chosen the randomized block design to ensure a fairer comparison. After field preparation were done, we applied equal amount of vermicompost and then transplanted the Gazania seedling, and different dose of potassium were given, which were at 0%, 0.5%, 1%, 1.5% and 2%. As the layout completed and the flowers were ready to set, it was now time for digging up the hole and transplanting the Gazania plant. We had prepared detailed plan of activities before starting the research. This plan included the different activities to be conducted during the experiment. Detailed plan of activities such as land preparation, seedling transplantation, designing and layout of field, data collection, analysis, and report preparations were all included in the activity log. Leveling of the field was done, and at a particular spacing, holes were dug for transplantation. Now, the flowers which were brought from the nursery were taken out from the gunny bags. The initial soil from which the Gazania plant were attached to were kept alongside, and it was now ready for transplantation. During transplantation, vermicompost was added in the pit, and afterward it was thoroughly placed. Digging up the hole, transplanting the gazania plant was done until it was finished. Until it was finally over, the work was completed for transplanting only, and followed by a new job that was watering and maintaining a healthy garden. Maintaining a healthy garden can be time consuming, especially when it comes to repetitive tasks like watering and weeding. Watering can and pipe was used to irrigate the field with water when the field was dry. Watering was done on 5 to 6 days interval time. Watering was done directly towards the plant roots, avoiding foliage damage and minimizing evaporation. From this experiment, we have collected data from gazania plant. We investigated different traits of flowers like flower diameter, calyx diameter, petal color, number of bloom, 50% flowering, and many others. After collecting data on our chosen trait, we used a statistical test called Analysis of Variance, ANOVA, to analyze the difference between the species. These tests help us understand if the observed variation are statistically significant or not. Even though studying flower was present, we did face number of obstacles and challenges during research. Our main challenge was that we were given a marginal land that was covered in deep-rooted grass, stones, and bricks. We found it difficult to prepare the soil in such a field for transplantation of flowers. We also had to deal with issues like strangers trampling on plants and taking flowers at random from the plot. But overall, the experience was amazing, and I'd like to thank everyone, even our professors, Professor Dr. Govinda Rizal, and my dear friends who did an absolutely fascinating job. Thank you.